Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, January 14, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, January 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 14, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, January 14, 2025. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 6 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 20 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for January 14, 2025 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, January 14, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.